great technique that we came up with on this new Duncan footed planter. We actually used 3 different glazes from Duncan. We used the Crackle Glazes, we used the Crystal Glazes, and we used the Specialty Glazes. So I want to show you on the board just what they look like. So the Crackle Glaze comes in 4 different crackles, and you can see the different colors that you can use. We used just a clear crackle on the left-hand side there. Then we came back, they have a whole host of different crystal glazes that you can use, but on this particular product we used this project we used the Fudge Marble Crackle Glaze. And then finally we came down with their Heirloom Silver, and any one of these would have been nice, but we used the middle one, Heirloom Silver Specialty Glaze. And I just want to show you step by step on how we did that. So on the bottom of the piece, we used the Crackle Glaze, and before we did that, we just kind of divided the piece into 3 sections. So the third was the Crackle Glaze, the Crystal Glaze, and then we came back with the Specialty Glaze. So we used a fan glaze brush, one of my favorite brushes to use for glazing. Definitely want to use a fan glaze brush whenever you're glazing anything on your pottery, ceramic, or stoneware. It makes a great, doesn't show any lines or streak marks. So we did, the Crackle Glaze calls for 3 coats. And if I was to do it again, I'd probably just use 2 coats because it ran more than I like it to run, the Crackle did. And then we did 3 coats of the Fudge Marble Crackle Glaze in the middle. And then we came back with the Heirloom Silver on the top, and we also did the inside of it as well. And you can see it's beautifully inside. The final step we're gonna do is we're gonna antique the bottom piece. So where the cracks are, we're gonna antique that spot. So what you can do is you can use any of Duncan's OS stains, and they come in 2-ounce squeeze bottles, and they have about 60 colors in the OS line, and they also have the 8-ounce for the 12 most popular colors if you're using a lot of acrylics. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna use the black for this demonstration. And we're just gonna put a little bit of black on a ceramic tile, and then we're gonna take a brush, and we're just gonna brush on the acrylic paint. You don't have to be too fussy here. All we're gonna do is just basically brush it on. Wherever there's Crackle Glaze, we're gonna brush it on. And then we're gonna take a Kleenex, and then we're just gonna push it into the cracks, and we're gonna do it in a circular motion. So just like this, and push the black into the cracks of the Crackle Glaze. And as I'm doing that, I'm wiping off the excess glaze, and you can see how nice the black goes right into the cracks. So a great combination, a great effect that has with the Specialty Glaze, the Crackle Glaze, the Crystal Glaze and the Crackle Glaze, and then the antiquing on the bottom. So 3 great products, combine that with an acrylic product makes a really great fun project to do.